Have you started having knee pain and thought, I think it's arthritis? Well, it might not be true, but if you actually do have arthritis, here are some 5 tips that are going to help you reduce that pain. Tip number 1, if you have arthritis in the knee, there's a lot of pressure and grinding, so we want to reduce the pressure in this muscle, that's the quadricep. A simple stretch like this that you're going to hold for 60 seconds, get a nice good deep stretch, try to get the heel towards the buttock, nice and deep, stay nice and tall, use something for support. Tip number 2 is going to be getting a good pair of shoes or orthotics. If we demonstrate here, my feet are very flat. You can see I don't have very much of an arch at rest. So when you're walking or if you're squatting, that can lead to the knee collapsing inwards. But if you have a good pair of orthotics or good shoes, that prevents and makes it more difficult for your ankle to collapse, thereby supporting your knee and stabilizing it, reducing any sort of grinding. Tip number 3, good old ice pack. So if you went for a long walk, if you went for a run, if you've done some exercises and your knee is now in pain, very likely there's been some grinding bone on bone, it's inflamed, get a good old ice pack, put it right onto the kneecap for 20 minutes, not onto the skin directly, so make sure there's something on top of the skin, and hold it there for 20 minutes. Tip number 4 is the straight leg raise with a little bit of an angle towards the outside. So lock the knee, make it nice and straight. That's the most important part. Lift the leg up, come back down, and repeat. Last and final tip, tip number 5, is to strengthen the glutes and the hamstrings. So this is the bridge. You're going to bend your knees, dig the heels into the bed. So dig them nice and deep, push through the heels to push up the hips. You should really feel the hamstrings and the glutes engage. If you do not dig in, you're going to feel the quads engage. So dig the heels, push down, lift the hips up, get the glutes and the hamstrings engaged. Start with 3 sets of 10, work your way up to 3 sets of 30. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot them towards us and we'll definitely answer them at the next video.